Hello and welcome to Make Money from Your Home. My name's Tom Clark, and in this short video I'm going to teach you how to make money with email marketing. Okay. So the money is in the list. That's what they say, and it's true. You can make money from internet marketing, selling stuff online, whatever, but you need a list. So the best way to get a list is by creating something yourself or having a product to sell and getting emails from an autoresponder. And probably the best thing to do is to whatever you're promoting is to get a bridge page set up. So if, for instance, you're promoting a product, rather than sending people direct to the page, you set up a middle page where you can get their emails and then send them on to the offer. And that way you can, because people might not want to buy the first time. So what you can do is build up a relationship with them. You can market to them. Once they're on your email list, they're your customer. So how do you go about that? Well, I use GetResponse for my email autoresponder, and all you need to do is basically go over to GetResponse. I'll show you inside that now. So this is inside my GetResponse site page, whatever you call it. And basically all you do is you click on create. You can create a newsletter, a landing page, a full funnel, autoresponder or form. I'm just going to create a quick form, show you how easy it is. The great thing is you've got all these templates ready to go. What should I do? I'll put free download. I'll use this one, and you can just edit them. They're quick. A bit crap on computers. So get free. You can do this better than I can do. Thing. Here. If you don't want to collect the names, you don't have to. You can delete that off. Just get their email address. You can move that if you want. Once you've done it, you just click publish. And then I generally use GetResponse will host my form, so you don't have to have your own website, and then you just share that link right there. So you can share that on Facebook, share that on reviews, put it under YouTube videos like the one underneath this, and that's it basically. You can also use solo ads to get people onto your list, which is a great way. It's or what you could do is create your own product, which is what I recommend doing, which is what I'm going to be doing next. And then basically you could go to find an audience, say like in Facebook groups, that sort of thing, and promote your product and get buyers onto your list. And then all you need to do is write some engaging emails, and that's what I'm trying to do. So I open up a new tab, it's a blank tab, and click there, and I use start typing. Hello. Welcome to my email list. Welcome to my email list. My name is Tom Clark. And then generally you get crickets. Or tumbleweed. I don't know what to write. This is a new product from CamFast. It's called EmailFire 3. It's basically a 4-week premium email engagement series that thaws out cold lists and gets people ready to buy. Everything is done for you. Just install the emails in your autoresponder and go. It's on offer at the moment. It's $12.97. It's an absolute bargain. It saves writer's block, because I have no idea how to kind of write emails. That's the trouble. And this is awesome. So there's a sales video there. I'll let you play that yourself. So over 11,000 words and 4 weeks worth of emails. It's full of interesting and thought-provoking stories to build rapport, packed with actionable content to build authority, laced with engagement loops so that you can test how interested your list is in what you have to say, lined with click-through loops so that you can measure how ready your list is to buy from you, a system that will allow you to measure engagement, rapport with your list, and adjust based on performance. So that's fantastic. And Cam Jennings is a fantastic marketer. I do recommend you pick this up. I've also put together some bonuses for you. So these are some of the results that Cam's been getting. It's $115,000. Let's spend the stats. That's the affiliate stats, 18,000. That is from, it's American date, so it's 8th of January. No. Start date. Can't work these dates out. Yeah, so March. Is that March to August? Yeah, March to July, basically. 18,000. I would not sniff at that. Yeah, so he knows what he's doing. I'll show you my bonuses, and then yeah, I just recommend you pick this up. So all you need to do is basically click the link below this video if you do want a copy of the EmailFire 3. This is my bonuses that I've put together for you. If you click the link below the video, it'll take you through to this page. So the first bonus I've got is My Online Startup, which is a premium course which will teach you all about affiliate marketing. There's over 30 videos in there. It's absolutely fantastic. It's got everything from mindset, how to build a website. It also teaches you about email marketing as well. Second bonus I've got for you is how to write headlines that sell. So going forward, as I say, Cam's got you covered. You've got 4 weeks worth of emails in here. This will teach you how to write headlines and subject lines that will sell. Scroll down. How to make a squeeze page is bonus number 2. Dead easy. It'll take you 10 minutes. And then bonus number 3, how to build a buyer's list the easy way. That's what you need, is a buyer's list. You don't want sort of freebie seekers and tire kickers. Next one I've got is the 10K storytelling formula. So that'll teach you how to, how to write stories, how to tell your story in your emails. It's fantastic. So I recommend you pick this up. I've also going to put a link below for a 30-day trial for GetResponse, which is a fantastic email platform. You don't really need a lot to get started with online marketing and email marketing. You need an autoresponder. I recommend you have a website, but you don't need one. You just need to engage with your audience, find a platform, and find offers that you can promote. It's dead easy. So yeah, thank you for watching. My name is Tom Clark. This is Make Money From Your Home. Click the link below, please like this video because it will help the algorithm. Click subscribe and the notification bell and all that doodah. Yeah, just pick this up. This will get you started. Thank you very much for watching.